Hi, my name is Taryn and I'm going to give you a tour of my flower garden for cold hardy annuals. Up, we got some sweet peas planted in these 2 rows. I will eventually plant larkspur right there. We got Marjorie Carrier and Molly Rhinestone, Earl Grey, and Blue Shift, Larkspur Smoky, Larkspur Splish Splash. Have some anemone over here. And then on both sides we have Carnation Sherbet, Carnation La France, Apricot Stock, Buttercream Stock, a stock mix. I had some white larkspur that didn't come up, so I will probably replant that with a white and pink larkspur that I have over there. Some calendula, ivory calendula. Some of this I'll have to resow. Calendula bronze, beast friend, some dill, which came up very sparsely, apricot viola, pansy antique sherry, pansy king. So I have 8 beds that are 3 feet wide each, and then about 50 feet long for each of them. I also tucked in some delphinium back here, snapdragon, madam butterfly, and these ones are snapdragon, Kelly sherbet, snapdragon, Kelly salmon. I have a bunch of ranunculus. We have romantic, bridal, happy mix, cocote, and pastel. In the fourth bed, we got strawflower silvery rose, strawflower apricot, some poppy pastel, nice and poppy sherbet, some corn cockle, California pink fig poppy, Shirley poppy pearl, Shirley poppy gray, and some bells. All the way to the back. Some of it's not covered, but it should do great unless it's really rainy. We also have some delphinium in the back. So this row that's covered is the same as the one that just has the row cover, the last one. So we have the delphiniums, the oric, Mignonette, poor man's orchid, Silene lanterns, clary sage, euphorbia, foxglove camelot cream, and foxglove camelot mix. So these are the 5 rows, and then in row 6 I got some snapdragon rocket mix, because I heard if you grow it under the plastic then the stems become very thin and breakable, so I guess I should add an experiment, but oh well, just under the row cover. I also have some yarrow that doesn't look like it came up, so I'll have to seed some more. In the Cool Flowers book it said Rudbeckia or Black-Eyed Susan is good till down to zone 7. The seed packet said 9 through 10, so I guess this will be an experiment. Over here we got Chimney, Sahara, Indian Summer. Also got some Feverfew, Forget-Me-Not Blue, and Forget-Me-Not Pinks. Stepping over to our 7th row, we got some Amy that doesn't look like it came up, so restow that again. Bachelor button blue, bachelor button pink, which there's no babies there. Bachelor button purple. A nice little section of Wuplarium that didn't come up, so we'll see direct seed those and maybe start some inside. White lace flower, which needs started as well, and then we have our Sylviosa mix. And like I said, this row is the exact same except I have some delphiniums in the front. A whole section that nothing's there, so I must have forgot to plant, so I'll seed something. And I don't have any foxglove, but the rest is the same mix of the oric to Silene lanterns. But yeah, That's the garden, and it's not usually this shaded in the summer. The sun's higher in the sky, so it gets at least 6 hours, if not more, of sun. And I have a total of half an acre. That's not just the backyard, that includes the front. So this is probably 1/4 to 1/5 of an acre that I'm growing on.